Civil authorities in your area have issued a local area emergency for all of Washington state. There is severe rioting going on at many stores in major cities across Washington. The riots are a result of Black Friday shoppers trying to get as much as they can before the day ends. There is a lot of fighting going on, and there have been reports of fires being started at some locations. Stores include Walmart, Best Buy, Target, Dollar Tree, and many others. It is recommended you shelter in place. To shelter in place, close and lock all doors and windows, turn off all lights and heating. If a rioter enters your house, use armed protection to protect life and property. Make sure you have food, water, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. Tune your radios to 1100 AM for more information on this dangerous situation.